Located in the heart of Payson, this remodeled beauty comes with a private mediation garden, freestanding covered patio in the fully fenced and landscaped backyard. The front sunroom and open patio adds additional indoor and outdoor living space. 1,440 square feet, 3-bedroom 2-bath, open floor plan, new plank flooring, cozy electric fireplace, office/den. Private master bedroom and bath, 2 guest bedrooms, French doors in the guest bedroom open to the back patio. Laundry includes washer and dryer and mudroom. Detached garage and workbench, storage shed, RV parking okay. Landscaping comes with a drip system, block fenced backyard offers privacy. The mediation garden includes a fountain adding tranquility to the beautiful yard, a must-see. This home is remodeled, updated and has been lovingly maintained.